Hi guys, it's Niels and today we're taking a quick exclusive look at the DJI Air 2S. Let's get started. The Air 2S will bring some upgrades compared to the Mavic Air 2. While the manufacturer installed a half-inch small 12 megapixel camera sensor for photos on the Mavic Air 2, in the Air 2S there will be an upgraded 20 megapixel sensor. In return, the drone is also 30 grams heavier than its predecessor at 600 grams. At the same time, the manufacturer is also bringing 10-bit color space to the camera. That means over 1 billion colors can be captured. DJI also brings intelligent HDR, a feature that the drone will automatically combine multiple shots to increase the dynamic range of images without post-processing. Also, the drone supports Hyperlapse and panorama. As seen in the renders, the drone has a total of 4 rotors, which can accelerate at a maximum of 19 meters per second, same as the Mavic Air 2. In return, the drone can operate at a maximum of 6,000 meters above the sea level. The internal memory is 8 gigabytes, as with the Air 2. For video makers, there's a new feature called Master Shots, which can execute 10 different maneuvers of a subject and take short shot of it. The subject always remains in the center of the shot. The drone supports the already known standards Spotlight 2.0 and Point of Interest 3.0, but Active Track 4.0 is also introduced with the drone. The autopilot also gets an upgrade to version 4.0, but I don't have specific details, as with Active Track 4.0, what exactly is better now. The FPV Goggles V2, known from the DJI FPV drone, are also supported by the DJI Air 2S. Accordingly, the drone also supports the new OcoSync 3.0 transmission standard, with which the rendering in the new goggles should run smoothly. To avoid airplanes and helicopters, DJI installs the ADSB signal transmitter to receive a signal from nearby aircrafts. The battery supports 3500 mAh. This has also been confirmed by the FCC already. The drone comes in the white color. An exact price is not available yet, but first retailer listings they point out that it's above 800 euros, about 1,200 euros. I don't have a specific price for a specific version yet, but you will find out very shortly because the drone will be presented in April 2021. Thank you for watching this video. I'm not a regular English-speaking drone channel, so you don't have to subscribe or anything because it wouldn't make sense to watch German videos as an English viewer. So yeah, just leave a like if you like that video and want to support me. If you want a written version, I made an article for technicnews.net, so link in the description. This has been Niels Arnsmeier. Thanks for watching.